The number one tip to getting volume in your hair, that is what we are going over today. And it's something I learned as a hairdresser many years ago. It requires no product, no brush, simply your hand and a blow dryer. Now, of course, if you want to use product, you can, but there's a lot of people out there who reach out to me saying, Steven, how can I achieve this without using any products? There's a lot of people who don't want to use anything, so this will work extremely well with product, but it'll work just as well without any product, but the results may vary. So with the blow dryer, the most important thing when it comes to this tool right here is this thing right here. This is a nozzle. Almost every blow dryer you purchase will come with a nozzle. This one is the Dyson. This is a very expensive high-end hair dryer. Comes with this nozzle, and what the nozzle does is it directs the heat and focuses the heat exactly where you are pointing it at. Whereas if you don't use a nozzle, the air is just blowing all over the place with no real focus. That's why when you see a lot of people, professionals blow drying, we're all using nozzles because we really want to direct that heat in a specific area. And for this video, this is going to be the best tip in order to get volume using this. So I'm going to start blow drying. What you want to do is we're using the fingers like this. What we're going to do is it's like a claw. Our fingers were like a claw. So we're going to go in like this, as you can see, right into here. I'm going in with my fingers like that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift. So we're going to lock in the fingers and pull up. Lock in and pull up this way. What that is doing, it's raising your hair to create volume. What is the blow dryer doing? It's adding the heat to help secure and lock in that style. So watch as I do this and see the results. All right, we are done. Now, I want to do this live without any sort of stopping the video or anything to show you the results. So as you can see, the volume speaks for itself. Now, this mannequin hair, the hair is on the longer side, right? It comes down to about here. So anytime the hair is a bit longer, it's going to weigh itself down, so you're not going to be able to get as much volume. But I'll be honest with you, I'm happy with that amount of volume. If you want to, you can see a closer look. This is with just using my hand and the blow dryer. The hair feels soft, right? It doesn't feel damaged or anything. My hand is fine. I didn't burn my hand. But what you need to do is you need to be careful, obviously, because yes, when you are applying heat, this gets very hot. The nozzle gets very hot because of the blow dryer. So what you do always want to be careful is that you don't burn yourself. So safety first when it comes to these things. Yes, it can get hot on your hands, but what you don't want to do, okay, what you don't want to do is just sit there with the blow dryer like this to the point where your hands is burning and it hurts, or you start to see a lot of smoke and the hair is singeing. Just don't do that. This is best achieved when you are using something like, right, Tidal Wave, which really is my ideal product for anything like this. 25 spray as a base, Tidal Wave, you spray it in, and if I were to use Tidal Wave in this to blow dry this, then it would be like even fuller and it'll hold a lot better, okay? What could happen throughout the day is, yes, this may, kind of lose its shape or lose its volume over time. But if you're looking for a quick fix, you want to get some volume in there, you don't want to use product, you want to be as natural as possible, then you can achieve it with the technique I just used. Don't forget, code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 for 20% off, and then free shipping in the United States with orders over $50. See you soon.